So hi everyone, I am Bhargav and
I'm Harsh. So first, we'll talk about the new features uh, that we added to our app web board. So Bhargav will share like just a recap about what we did before.
yeah, so basically, Wedwood is a collaborative chat workspace where wedding planners, vendors, and couples can coordinate in real time. And it also has a knowledge base backed by ChromaDB for vector embeddings and a RAG pipeline that lets users ask AI questions about their uploaded wedding documents. This was the tool so far.
So we added four more features on that, which is AI-powered document generation, streaming responses, a typing indicator, and we added proper markdown rendering. So I'll just pull up the app and we'll go through each one.
Oh yeah. Um so
So I'll open the uh, yeah. So as you can see, we have added a new sign-in feature here. So I'll just log in and then okay. So as you can see, we logged into the Mia Ethan wedding. So firstly, we'll add a question like I'll type it at AI. What time does the ceremony start? So we see that the response is coming token by token. Uh, so before this change, the app would send the question to the backend and wait for the entire response to come back from OpenAI and then display it. So that whole process was like too long, and you'd be like sitting there staring at the whole thing with no feedback. So we implemented server sent events on the backend, which is shown on the Python script called app.py. So here we added a API query stream, which is like an endpoint, which instead of calling OpenAI API, it waits for the full completion, and then we give stream equals true. Uh, that gives us a generator that yields chunks as they come in. So each chunk gets wrapped in an SSE event and then puts a JSON object with a types, which is field set to chunk and content, and then we push it down to the client. On the front end side, we used fetch with a readable stream render. So the browser opens a persistent connection and reads each SSE event as it arrives.
Now, one thing worth noting is that we're entering the full markdown on every chunk. So now it's not just like a raw text, which I think, okay. Yeah, it is marked. So it is like formatted in markdown right now. We added that as well. So now, the second feature that we added was typing indicator as you just saw. So let me just give it like a quick thing. At the rate AI, what vendors are. Oh, yeah, it also has autocorrect, as you guys saw, and then also everything is in Markdown. Renders it on time, the streaming and also the typing emoji that we added. This is a pure CSS animation, and it's like three dots that bounce. That isn't a GIF, which was like one good thing that I noticed. Uh, and of course, the markdown rendering, as you can see, like the window screen and everything, that is. Um, that is on to the point. Uh, Also, we built a fallback, mark.js. I'll show you that as well. Um, these are the docs. Yeah, the fallback markdown is the function that does the basic regex-based rendering for like the bold italic code. I can't find it now. I don't know why. But all right, the next feature.
So another feature that we added is doc generation. So this is for like creating documents that we can like share to vendors and for like additional and easy to read like guidelines. So if we type this here, so yeah, as you can see, it like creates a simple to read document which you can like share to the vendors or whoever that we like want to convey this information to. So so the way this works is we use a regex match in the handle send function for keywords such as generate docs or create document, make doc, or write doc. After we use at AI, so everything after that becomes the prompt that for the API for the AI. So
And also, second, like on the back end, we extract meaningful keywords from the prompt, and then, sorry, yeah, and then what we do is we strip out the stop words, like the common filter words, and we also strip out like the prompt words that we know as like generate and document. And then so basically in the first version of this, we had SQLite messages that was used to make the chat persistent, right? um, and then we built like a dynamic SQL query where like clauses, basically like content like something something vendor, or content like something something schedule, like yeah, and like pull up to the third party, or like the third like the matching messages from the cohort's chat history, and anything the team has discussed about the vendors or schedules that gets pulled in. And then on top of that, what we've also done is ChromaDB, we have used as a knowledge base. We embed the original prompt using OpenAI's text embedding model. This is done on the API side, and then basically what we do is it's like a simple cosine similarity search, and we grab the top five. And yeah, that is it. Anything you would like to add?
no, that's it.
Okay. So yep, that was those were like all the features that we have added for now. We're basically also uh trying to add in like a separate sign-in page for the users, I mean the vendors and the couples, and then improve on the UI chat and then the features of it. That is all planned up. I think that is it. Thank you very much.